So, good day everyone. For today's video, we'll find the mode of this group data. To find the mode, we have here the formula, lower boundaries plus delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2 times class size. So first, we just need to find the highest frequency, which is, we have here 8. So, we have the highest frequency, 8. So, ang ating modal class is nandito. Nandito ang ating modal class. So, to get the lower boundaries, we just subtract the 6 minus 0.5. So, 6 minus 0.5 is 5.5. Now, we have the lower boundaries of the modal class. Now naman, ang kukunin naman natin is the delta 1. Paano nga ba kunin ang delta 1? We just need to subtract the modal class frequency to the upper of our modal frequency. So, we have here 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So, meron na tayong delta 1. Ngayon, na meron na tayong delta 1, hanapin naman ngayon natin ang delta 2. So, paano bang kunin ang delta 2? We just need to subtract the modal class frequency before the frequency. So, we just subtract the 8 minus 2, have 8 minus 6 rather is equal to 2. So, we have the delta 2 is equal to 2. To get the class size, we just add the upper limit class interval to the lower limit interval. We just subtract the 5 minus 1 plus 1. So, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. So, we have the class 5 is equal to 5. Now, kompleto na ang ating solution. So, kayang-kaya na natin siyang sagutan. Una muna natin computein ang 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then, bring down the class size. Then, ipag-divide naman natin yung 5 over 7 is equal to, so, 5 divided by 7 is equal to 0.71. If kailangan mag-round off kayo. Then, ita-times natin yung 0.71 times 5 is equal to 3.55. So, ngayon, 5.5 plus 3.5, 55 is equal to, so, ang ating mode for this data is 9.05. Sana may natutunan kayo for today's video. Pero if you have questions, leave it in the comment section and please like this video. Thank you for watching.